Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI.
I am always looking for a good new reusable water bottle, and since I am pregnant and going to be feeding my baby, I will be needing a lot of water. I found this one from SIEROZUR and I absolutely love this jug. Not only is it super pretty, but I love the motivation that comes on it also. Another one of my favorite parts is that because of this wide mouth, I can get my hand right inside to wash it. But if you do have bigger hands than me, which is not hard to do, it even comes with this adjustable brush, which is awesome for washing it. I love how leak proof it is. It doesn't matter if I shake it upside down, nothing comes out. And it also has a lock so that if you bump it on something or if you have kids around, they are not going to be able to open it unless you unlock that. I usually use the straw, but I love that there's also a spout if you want to use that.
I love how pretty this water bottle looks and that it has motivation on it to keep you going throughout the day. I also love the straw and that it came with an extra one. It's just such a great water bottle all around. I highly recommend it. You're gonna love it too. And that's my point of view.